video starts, I want to let you guys know real quick about Project Rebuild. I want to give you guys that reminder that I'm still taking bookings for that project. Every single one of these projects is actually going towards the IS300 and the Scion TC to kind of help rebuild those and help fund those projects. I've already shot one project, which I'm going to leave just a little snippet right here. It was so cool because this project was actually a Scion TC just like my own, and I couldn't be happier to actually do a Scion TC as the first rebuild project. Now there's still openings if you guys are interested, so please just DM me on Instagram, DMRking_, and I will respond to you and we're gonna get something set up. I couldn't thank you guys more enough. So without further ado, let's get on to today's video. Okay, hold on, there's an airplane, give me 1 second. Anyway, I wasn't really sure if I was in the right spot. I was looking for everything, but I think I am. Supra there. There's more Supras in the back. There's literally just Supra wings all over there. So I believe I'm in the right spot. It's original.
Oh my god.
It's original, Paul. It's an original. We're in Sound Performance and they allowed us to film inside the shop. There's a couple things. This blue Supra, never seen that color before, but it looks amazing. Huge wide body. The white one, that's cool. But these are original Mark IIIs. They have original wheels.
See the plates?
Yeah, those are the old Illinois plates.
Those are old as
yeah,
plates.
Those are from like '96.
I
remember because my yeah, these plates were on my dad's original car. Look at that, that's cool. 4Runner.
Yeah,
that's cool.
Familiar.
It does look familiar. We've seen this before. Wow. Two original Mark III white Supras. That's crazy. Look at the inside. I can't, my ISO's not high enough, but it's blue. That's insane. And then this beautiful blue Supra here, an IS Supra back there. And there. There's a GTO, I think, under there. Don't know what that is. Another one here, carbon. Full carbon front end Supra. What is this? Oh my god. Paul, do you see this? Paul. Do you see that? This has me right here.
Is that a wagon?
Yeah. It's an STI wagon, dude. There's no engine in this thing. But oh my god, I just realized what was inside.
There's a Grand National up there.
Where are we?
Supra.
Yeah. Carbon. What? Wow, this shop is insane. Oh my god, that's an engine building room. There's engines back there. Grand National. What's happening? What? That's crazy. Look at all these transits. There's actually what the f? Sound Performance, you guys are sitting on gems back here. That's amazing. Look at all these LSDs. Come on, man. I just keep getting this color. This color is really nice. Wow. I'm blown away at this one. Look at the red. It's like a cherry red. Of course, we just ran literally from the garage straight inside. So Khan, who owns that Castrol Supra, he has a part that's missing, so he's gonna go all the way from here in Bensonville all the way to Elgin to go get it and then come back. We are actually gonna go see the IS300, which is exactly what I've been waiting for. It's been down for almost a year now, waiting on parts from Japan. When we were trying to rebuild it, it was gonna be a pretty simple head gasket change, but turns out to be that the head is actually a high flow ported head from TRD. Anyway, the long story short is the head gasket's a little different. There's all this different stuff. The head had to get remachined and all this stuff that's been holding it up. So the hope is it's going to be back within the week. And so we're going to drive up to Yoshi's now. But of course it's downpouring. It was literally, okay, literally it was 40 degrees. It was 80 and then it was 40 degrees and snowing the next day. And now it is 2 days after that snowstorm and it is raining and it's 70 degrees again. That doesn't say I live in Chicago. I don't know what else does. Oh my God, it's my car. I haven't seen it in so long. Oh, I get to actually park right next to it. Look at that. Yes! Okay, so I got to talk to Yoshi and like ask about the car and see what happened to it. A lot happened to it and it was down for a long time for a good reason. It had a lot of issues and he said it was actually a really big pain. And so when I warped the head, he said it was really, really bad. The machine shop actually said no, but he didn't want to separate the head from the bottom end because he said obviously like 2J heads, people just don't separate them that much. And then also if you were to buy a brand new 2J right now, it's like, I don't know, at least 8 grand plus labor, all this stuff. So, and you're not guaranteed with that engine. And my engine has been fantastic. So besides the fact that I warped the head really bad, they machined the head down, and then because of the way that it sat and how much they shaved off, they had to get a really thick head gasket. So we got a Tomei 1.8 mil head gasket from Japan, and it took 7 months to get here. And then after that, he said that the valves, the shims in the valves were actually, because of the machining, there was a 2 mil gap between that. And so he actually had to CNC, like custom make CNC the shims for the car. The long story short is there was a lot of work that had to get done on the car, and it's finally ready to go. And it's here. It's right in front of me and it's done. So yeah, the car's done, man. And it's so dusty. Like it was sitting now for like a year. You can kind of see like just how bad the dust is. It's not beautiful, but she's here and in front of me. I can't wait that you're back. Thank you. Unfortunately, like I said, we won't be able to see the Supra dyno today, but it was nuts, man. I'm so excited. This season, guys, this is gonna be it's gonna be great. I'm so excited to have it back. But that's all I have for today. Okay, sorry. See you guys later. See you on the other side.